Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can easily fix it by the methods I will show you in this video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack problem in your device. Let's watch it.